Hello everyone, welcome to another test here on our channel. Guys, check out what I found there, see? This product promises to remove all that yellowing from your car's headlight lens. Then you won't need to buy a new headlight. Does it work? Guys, look, I bought it. I brought it here to the channel and I'm going to test it for you. Let's go. Let's see if it really does it really work. Guys, to test the product, I'm here with this car here. Look. And its headlights are really yellowing, see? So I'm going to test it on this headlight here and we'll see the results. If it really works or not. Guys, I'm going to open a little package here. Let's see what it's like. Look, guys, come here. Here's a little blanket, a little band to do the cleaning. Here's the product. And some foam so we can polish it here. The headlight, and I'm going to use it here, guys. Look. I'm going to use 1,200 sandpaper to do the sanding, right? And then apply it, just like it's done in the video. Guys, didn't I put tape around it here? Because this is an old car, okay? So there's no need to put tape here because it won't make a difference. It's a very old car. The paint is very burnt from the sun, okay? But if you're going to do it there, look, in your car, it's a good idea to do it like in the video. Stick the tape here to protect it, so it doesn't stain, okay? Let's use the flannel dyes to dry it. And then apply the product stops. Does it work? Guys, look, in the video, the guy looks like he applies a product with paper. So I have a sheet of paper here. Actually, a sheet of towel. Paper napkin. And I'm going to do it just like he does. In the video, right? I'm going to use this sheet of paper here and let's see if it will work, right? Let's go. Let's shake the product here to see. Time for the truth now. What happened? I sanded it with the 10-0200 sandpaper. I let it dry and left it very clean and applied the product. The headlight was much whiter than the other one. I'm going to show it a little further away here so you can see. This one here is very white. And this one here is very yellowish. Do you see the difference? In the video it shows when it shine, and here it didn't give shine. I applied it once, let it dry. I applied it a second time, and it didn't shine. It doesn't seem to work. No. Look, guys, Here it is, the product is the same one that appears there in the... It's in the advertisement, okay? And it didn't solve anything, you see. I applied it didn't solve anything. It's still ugly. So look, it's fake. Oh, okay, it's fake. False advertising? So there it is, guys. Look. Unfortunately tested. And fake. Bye.